Alright, I don't know you go people. Respect again, you know, man. You see it?
But you don't know a thing come down. When they ask for the internet today to tell them, the Elliott why out himself. Not for I want to use Walker's wood. But me know everyone I want to drink coconut. Cocoa.
Well, I know use it. I never know about it. I deal like that. I come chat about it.
Yeah.
About it.
Yeah.
I don't know about nobody except my own.
Mm.
And they say that.
Yo, you know, I said, all I want to drink coconut in a big island here, where we there. So what you going? Where water forward from?
Yeah, me a couple coconut tree.
How does water get into a coconut? Like, I drink water, right? But a coconut don't drink water.
The liquid which eventually reaches the coconut is referred to as the endosperm. This endosperm acts.
Damn, look! Creamy tissue! Oh! He's drinking cocoa!
Wait, I'll get into it still. I'll get into
I
it.
no boy now go contaminate. That's why enough of them young youth I can't breed no girl. I go drink coconut until me dead.
Yeah, cocoa. You know, them sound right.
I'm gonna be drinking it though.
We always know it doesn't sound right.
I'm gonna be drinking it. I'm gonna be using it in rice and peas. Cause let me tell you this. You cannot cook rice and peas, give me.
Yeah.
And use the coconut. It's something when I pour about when them sell it for grace and no, you can't give me that.
Yeah.
You have to cut the coconut off a tree, grate that or blend that, and get the coconut milk and then rice and peas. So I'm telling you, man, I could have wire out something till God come. I don't want to drink it and stop eat it.
Yeah.
The business about no.
Yeah, alright.
I must eat that to mom.
Yo.
Hey boy, well, uno can't breed no girl and go a doctor and doctor tell us on the sperm count low. Uno finna coconut and eat tomato and some okra and some sitting at the time now not go and feed on it. Feed yourself.
Okra kills sperm count.
Oh, let me tell you now here.
Yeah, okra kills sperm
everything kills sperm count if you go feed on it, bro.
Yeah.
That me I say, that me say, that a doctor them say. You know, feed on one thing. You try eat a balanced diet. So if you eat a portion of okra, you eat that portion and low okra. If you eat a portion of tomato, you eat that portion and low tomato. Kalalu said way to build your blood count. Because that blood make your rifle stand up. And that's what they. You get what me I say? So you have to feed on all of them. No follow no boy. I make no boy tell you say coconut at this and coconut at that. Hey, this my man. Hey, you hear me? You see that nowadays generation, yeah?
Yeah.
And nowadays generation, yeah? But not different. That's all I can say about it.
People, the coconut water, the liquid endosperm, and when it turn meat, a solid endosperm. He turn meat by farming creamy tissues. And that year they youth, they did that. They youth, they did that. Discover, look while
and I creamy tissues me
no,
eat jelly. You see jelly?
Nut.
You see jelly?
Endosperm, the water were in there.
Yeah, man, you have enough people. My brother can't eat the jelly out of coconut because I say look at nose now.
The solid endosperm.
Yeah, the solid endosperm. Enough people can't eat that because say look at nose now. Me understand them or whatever.
Yeah.
But let me tell you this.
You will drink liquid
and that's
endosperm.
That's why me. You can tell you this as people as maybe right now when a girl me touch breathe. Young boy right now I got a doctor.
Yo.
Because we do a video about it over there.
Yeah.
Boy, them a shoot pay blank.
Man.
Because they now feed pan.
Hey,
you know, let me tell you someone I pray for them talk about healthy food. Eh?
What?
Some flour with caramel. Flour dumpling with caramel.
What they say?
And the man them said, yeah, that make a chunk.
Yeah.
Chunk, my brother, you eat that. Up starch, you full of people, your body has starch.
I must say cement. Yeah, but yeah, we better set up Bridget. Yeah, we better set up. Mr. D. Elliott. Him now. Wanna see whole incident. You know, you can see it. Umbre stutter in a film presentation. You know what I mean? What we can say about D. Elliott is him is a good enough actor. Yeah man, Jamaica need to give him a role, you know. You see me I say can trick out I shape them. You see me? Yeah man. Watch a clip.
The reason the Elliott cut off his locks.
Me like Walkers with enough. Walkers would have vibes all the time.
Let me tell you something. You see what you did do?
You can't
robot.
Cause Walkers would more while.
You see what you did do?
Some Walkers with them taste bitter.
Blow.
But outside of that, The spicy walkers would taste good. And these are the walkers would these are the jerk walkers would. Me like the jerk walkers would too.
You see what you did do, you see if you did do that,
If you did
and
do that,
you can't, nobody did do that.
You can't, nobody did.
Yeah, I just said that. I just let us skip the next part. We want to see when you realize, you know.
Father God. Yo, listen man. I Jamaican this. Let me tell you this. You have a mango named Julie Mango. You see you walk around and go tell the virgin them boy I love eat Julie Mango.
That not gonna
A
work.
problem here. You have a biscuit named Shirley
That
biscuit.
not gonna work neither.
Yeah, you see if you go a shop, I go buy a biscuit.
Me say
You
that
make sure
not
say if
gonna
you buy the biscuit and you Shirley biscuit, you take it out of your bag and dash your bag from way out before you inside the virgin.
Our day, me get to show me one video where I say, you're supposed to know that I sit here because they're old. This is me I say, Mrs. Scotty. And I say, hey, bad man, then you have Scotty biscuit. Oh, here, and you have Shirley, so. Yeah.
For real, when I take a look on it. See? You see, whether you do it with spite or not, it's like knowing say you sit down there see that took oil on camera. You see that boom clock there. It's like you know to yourself, say yo watch out. Alright. Me don't plan out this, you know. But whether me plan it out or not, you see that bomb clock there, it a forward offer knowing say them fucker just a go run with it. So my reaction have to be genuine. Funny.
And that
And
is
what
one
you know?
way. When if me got two
I hear me
extra, them I go realize say.
I hear me now.
If
Hear
we
me now.
got too nonchalant,
Yeah.
then I realize the same thing. I
Well-
go right in a nickel there so.
Well, as me I go say watch this now.
Yeah, you feel it right just up. Clot.
As me I say watch this
Oh,
now.
me do ja.
I know a critical thinking. And when I go label the one thinking to say that thing have to do. I did have to plan him up plan it. You see that youth, you see for him left Jamaica and go overseas, you see him whole stand-up comedy, it based around Jamaica. If you tell you how Jamaican and react in a situation,
Any situation.
how him go,
Yeah.
a foreign go react, say, go understand the situation, stay. And how him realize, say, for example, in the one him say, when he reach forward a foreign, him realize, say, them people keep dog all about in their house, on them bed. And him say, what? You mad? This part, dog figure do. Until he realize, you know, it can't work so. So I may say, in comedy based around Jamaica. So you see, talking about Walker's Wood, which is a product for real, right? Him can do that, you know. For example, just cook some food, you know. And you know, say, when you cook and you're on stream, I say stream say, me stream game.
Yeah, because
it's like you say, keep interact with the people.
So that's
them.
why I can game say,
yeah,
it genuine. It might be a mistake because
yeah,
stream.
Because
this is a unfamiliar
you have
territory.
to keep interact with the people them.
You do videos, you know.
And
but
yes,
stream.
a stream must stream.
Yeah.
You can see comment them on it. So I may say,
live.
just the fact say he must stream, it's like you keep interact with the people them. So even though you pop out that season and where you go use, which is Walker's Wood, you don't have to chat about it. Yeah. But you because you don't really have nothing else, you chat about your seasoning them, you chat about you prepare the meal. So you chat about say Walker's Wood bad still, you know. You see the jerk one, ray, you get what I say? But nowadays generation still.
In himself. Chicken me use the jerk Walker's Wood.
Yeah, him himself know. Say watch you know.
Grace jerk
Jamaican I go white. Hey, Jamaican white out if you go Mandeville. Where he whole away born and no Mandeville, but he walk one now. Girl Deville name now.
Oh, see if you.
You see if you go Mandeville, why brother? So yeah. I just say go. So to me, it can be a genuine reaction, you know. But to all mistake and know the same as an actor, just like my friend here. Yeah. I see him thing where I pray. So him plan this out.
Let me break it down for now.
Alright.
Zin. Papi say, when Papi did I got trim, where Papi telling us say, where Papi do? You remember? And where Papi say? In do a promo video.
After him do it do, after him trim.
Yeah. In do a promo video do. You see me I say, when him a trim.
Yeah.
And in do the song after in trim. And the song is, you them say me trim have a buzz. You them say me trim have a buzz. So what you know now?
That song, they don't know people running down and say song on that. That song that to me, It's just a on the spot moments that make some people love it to me.
Spontaneous. Yeah.
But to me, the kind of man, the man this one cut off in ear because not how most people feel say
Anybody really
your
just ready
ear
for
in
a
a
change,
split
brother.
or because you cream out the ear already fucker. You have to go trim it off, make it start grow natural. You know, see man grow back.
Yeah, exactly. That my point exactly.
Yeah.
In a less than a year. So
Yeah.
just watch your maths. But what may I say is everybody know this you, dear Elliott. Man not a real rasta. Is what may I say.
No, I want
him himself knows him is not a real rasta.
No, he's a
him
Ayactian.
not take offense to that neither.
You
might just feel it's time for a change, brethren. What's you say in there the foreign scene right now, you see me easier for blend.
It's a fashion dread.
If people see me with locks, they might associate me with maybe say Caribbean easily. But if me is just what's me is a light skin youth and then I see me with locks, me get way and it's like me have to really chat Jamaican so you know. Zine with a forward like you see me youth there where we say yo bilingual in buy and sell language. Remember the youth there? Yeah man.
Just coming from a job interview right over there. The interviewer gonna say, I don't like to hire y'all Jamaicans, don't like to come out to work early. Dice, perdón, ¿estás hablando conmigo? Dice, you Mexican? Dice, no, soy de Nicaragua. Y'all speak English in Nicaragua? Claro que sí, en Nicaragua habla inglés, patois y español. Oh, my bad. Yeah, man, me get to work. 2 blue barrel me a pack and send down. All of me haters them down a yard, then go and drink Campbell soup till them weak. A big Campbell soup, me go in all like Dollar Tree them.
And I read Rasta, so you can't just feel for a change. Zane, but here what I say is, it's just a publicity stunt, so I don't give you credit for that in catch and it work. You see me, because as my brethren that tell me, say, right after that, in do one whole entire YouTube video, right?
Cutting here.
About in here. That's synonymous to what Popcorn do with the song. You get what I say? Alright, watch you now. In think about it for a second. I'm not really, I'm not going to tell you say, you know how he did I go do it. But I can tell you say, when you see the walkers would something flash across in brain. I'm going to tell you where my thought is flash across in brain. You don't know a youth name me just, if you don't know him, probably because of the video, yeah. Like myself, yeah. Because this a video I see and about him out, I know him. Run down one of that. And this man, yeah, no see this a video you neither. Because when I try to tell him about it, I have no clue.
Nah, like, Walkers would taste nice.
Why? Brother, you better this a no Diddy.
You see that?
This a look so.
You see that? No, that was natural as rat.
Listen to me, Jamaica.
Listen to me, Jamaica.
Listen, please.
Listen to me.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. All right. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Wait. Hold on. Sorry. Wait. No. Wait. What did you want to tell me? Both of you guys. What did you want to tell me? Double check. Safety first. Double check.
Listen to me, Jamaica. Listen,
Jamaica, please. Don't bother with no why. Listen, please. Listen, Walkers would have
Daddy Brad.
I'm just shut up, because I'm not going to say it. It's okay. It's alright.
We think can't make it better.
Why?
Why? You see that? You don't know why he said because you see that I'm not keeping it already. Why?
Walkers would taste nice.
Yo.
No. It's killing them to depend that.
Listen to me, Jamaica.
Listen to me.
Listen, please.
Listen to me. Let me tell you something.
Jamaica,
let
please.
me tell you
Don't bother
something.
with no why. Listen, please. Listen, Walkers would have
Walkers would
I'm
have
just shut up, because I'm not going to say it. It's okay. It's alright.
Yeah.
Why?
Why? Yo, you can see it. Yo, Mr. Bro. So that was natural.
Only look here. I hear
So-
me now. I hear my thing to that now.
Yeah.
Only way that did natural unless it did live.
You know what?
Unless it live.
I don't know. I don't remember if he did live or not.
Because we there saw edit video too, and we know this.
Yeah.
If we no feel like we can cut out, as we no see enough of our video, it's like we try go new video them without cut out, right?
Mm-hmm.
But more while let's see the discussion and the reasoning, we could have to cut it because the video them would have too long. You get me? I say. You see, if it was a stream him the one, we understand that. You see, if it's a recording and him put it out there.
Same way.
Right? Yeah. Because why yourself after you know after why yourself?
But I would have seen him just like we. Because I want at time we wild ourselves.
Yeah.
I will one another.
I will still put it out there, but we now look here now.
So
no, there's a difference. There's a difference No, there's a difference in. That is a one-man show. This is about a way.
Yeah.
So watch out. If me decide say, bro, me I put where you when me edit the video, and me decide say me I put where you say up there, right? Me no business where you want say I do, you know, brother.
No, but
me I put it up there, you know.
No, we don't have the problem there. So it's still like
no,
a one-man
it's
show.
It's not about if we have the problem or not.
Still like a one-man show.
You know, understand me? No, look at me, man. No, but I try to tell you, say, no, look, you know. No, we don't understand, say, bro. In a film case, one person decision that. In a both our case, right? Like me could have stick out for one thing then to say, well, you say that, you know, it's a big man thing, no. Me know say rain about. Me not when I put the part the night. I mean I tell you say, brother, at this a part of video me love for this me I put up there and me just not business what you want to say. A two-person decision that at that point. And that's how we stay, you know. But me I say at that point a two-person. I him one.
Me over the still.
But me no feel say it was a recording, you know. Me only said this enough.
Me understand. Me don't know if it's a recording.
Me feel like it's a stream. No, me feel like it's a stream. It look like a stream. Yeah, it look like a stream to me.
You see me?
That's
so,
what I said. Yeah.
Here with me I said, oh, at that him flick in my brain. To me, and think, why not? I could go for it because we already, as me say, we did plan say we need something to carry off the trim what we plan for trim. You see what I say? If I wipe up myself, oh gosh man, can't no better than that. Zane, and him is a good enough actor to keep it to the minimum there when I tell you say it is undetectable to 3/4 of the sheep them. Yeah. Because we don't know about Jamaican comedy. We really don't know about comedy in Jamaica. Like my friend argue about every day. Nobody know do stand-up comedy.
Yeah, nobody really.
Comedy bus lockdown. IT and Fancy Cat and them people dead. Black and Ellis and bellow them.
Yo, look at the man. Bro. The full end of this is this was a publicity stunt. And if you know Kanye West, right? Yeah. I want to greatest publicity stunt master that. Just like what they are when at the Grammys, and him go there with the woman, and he never get invited, and he go there and steal the whole show. Everybody have to talk about it.
Brother, I'm sure media talk about. Hey, me sure me did I talk about it. You know.
To kind of conclude the way I say about Dale Elliott says a publicity stunt, right? I got show on say it's a marketing strategy then. So watch this, see?
So well done.
He have a YouTube channel, so we're gonna show you a YouTube channel. I want to give me support too. Because I feel so for support with Jamaica stand-up comedian them, as they can come back here and have a platform in a Jamaica. So what is this? On YouTube channel.
Funniest people them from.
And as you can see, on YouTube say a 2 video since trim. That one, the first one a 2 days ago. Why I cut my dreadlocks monologue, right?
From dreadlock to deadlock.
The big chop. Back from Europe review, Drake, Diddy and more, whatever. But if you notice in screenshot, notice in thumbnail, that does him head I focus because he know in trim, he knows the Jamaica pre-him as a dreadlock. Eventually, people are gonna just wonder why you trim, bro. So naturally, just make it forget to. Cause if you notice in the video entitled why I cut my dreadlock, you know, monologue 58K. And that one I went just post 22 hours ago. 12K. So if you would have followed stand-up comedy all along, you would have go check out them.
Yeah.
Cause seeing you have one so we look like this one performance. And it look like in the in front of a serious crowd. And it's a 12K. Seeing? But you will chat about him, we could just give you a preview one night. But we're gonna skip out the audio.
We'll take out the audio there.
Yeah,
we'll probably not to hear that.
There.
But real talk, a popcorn he walk out
but,
too.
Yeah, but show a crowd. I represent Jamaica. I tell him I represent Jamaica. I oversee this. You see it? It's a laugh, man. Laugh.
Oh, yeah. Wow. And I think the first thing people are going to ask me is, you know, why? And honestly, I can say, I feel like dreadlocks tell a story. And after writing that story for 10 years, I feel like it's time for kind of close the chapter on that story.
My point exactly.
My life.
This you know where the vertical look funny.
Rasta
Because they don't plan to
Rocket
do it back. What is now saying?
to stand
Him,
up
my turn one
comedy
Steve Harvey in
to
the future.
moving
Swear
to
ball.
I feel like Steve
America
Harvey, I
to
love your film, wanna look on right
graduate
now.
Yeah, bro.
Which is not the toupee.
university.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, which is not the toupee,
Like
the real
all of my
thing.
memories, I hold it in my hand.
Exactly, you see it?
And
All like memories are it.
there's a lot
Why,
of
what you know? As a youth, why you start grow your hair?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Like if you can remember where you start grow for you know why I start grow my hair back then?
Mm-hmm.
I left school and just and tell myself, says everything I could do when I go to school, I can do it now, you know.
The people them say they want Walker's Wood. Why? But this is a whole different situation now, guys.
And that's which people ever say they want walk as well.
You know, see, me just say that your deal say it and cut off all the year. You know, see in the zin.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. It's a Diddy incident. It's a no Diddy incident. So what you know? Deal Elliott them minor, genuine no Diddy. But big Diddy pan the ball of them side. I don't know who they carry Aston Villa. You see me I say, I don't know who did Beck say Leon Bailey they want to play for Jamaica, but it might be reasons. You see me I say, and you see what you did do? You can't no bother do that. You see what I say? So, what Jamaicans would say the thing where happen like that must they come in a light.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, Leon Bailey. Man, them will say them a live like baller. Leon Bailey. Up right now. Them and them girl there in one part there, so. Don't forget this story.
It has a popular Jamaican Aston Villa footballer exposing league video. A renowned Jamaican footballer who plays as a right winger for Premier League club Aston Villa has been exposed in sexual explicit videos. Not only have his bedroom deeds come to be leaked on the internet, but it has also been revealed that he participates in taboo sexual acts and cheats on his girlfriend. Videos of the footballer who will hereby be referred to as Daily were exposed Tuesday night along with spicy messages shared on Snapchat between him and an anonymous woman. The X-rated videos and message obtained by Moon10 show him in a compromised position with apparently a Caucasian woman. Notably, his girlfriend, with whom he shares a child, is Jamaican.
Yeah.
In the footage,
So
he and the
also
anonymous
Caucasian.
woman are engaging in sexual intercourse.
Yeah, normal thing. Sex tape, a normal thing. Yeah, that not too bad. What go on night?
One more. Another video shows the popular footballer recording himself while completely nude in the mirror as he puts on a little show of flaunting his body and more for the recipient.
Everybody do that.
To add to the drama, leaked messages allegedly from the footballer revealed that the athlete reportedly engages in rimming, which is sexually stimulating someone's anus.
What is?
With the mouth or tongue.
What is?
A batty boy. A dirty boy. Oh, Rasta. I with the blood clot. As they call it, they call it in a rimming. Right. Hold on, according to the messages, he is on the receiving end of the sexual act of me blood clot.
What's up, but you watch that, bro?
No, they kill them with upon that.
Me blood.
And all along the boy pretend boy Gaza and say when I vendetta. Hey.
Yeah, fuck.
Listen, me man. I vendetta the youth under the quiet. Man, I want undercover.
Yeah, fuck you. Me say why now why you they want to be no Jamaican? He couldn't. The credentials wrong.
Yo.
You see me I say you can't make a national team.
Where?
You say your credentials wrong, baller. This is what I say. Wrong there, some man. Nah, connect. Dog, I wonder if I too much rim in kicky ball. Huh?
Tapping eyes. You know, cause watch on when I message him, you know. The people put all I message up there. You know. See,
Yeah.
one of the messages read, yes, he is still going to let you eat his ass for sure. Hey, listen, man, I have to read it the way that Jamaica come from, but I'm not going to read it the right way. One of the messages read, yes, I'm still going to let you eat my ass for sure. Indicating that the footballer is
don't click
agreeing.
my friend. I want to do.
Indicating that the footballer is agreeing with allowing the female to do the taboo act on him. The following message expressed that he reportedly wants the woman to masturbate for him to see.
Yeah. Simple thing.
Charge no. Oh, it's a bratty there. Screenshot I message them.
Yeah.
See them yeah?
Yeah. Alright.
See there. Well, so he name LB9. He must take down that is no man. That's what I will look for. Snapchat. A Snapchat in the pando.
On Instagram coming on the
Yes,
Snapchat.
Hold on. I say and play with that. For me. I don't know.
What was that? 5th grade? The shit.
And then I wanna see you. Ratted. Hey, one thing we rate to the baller. Straight to the point, the man I tell you one exactly what you want. You man sell kind of.
Then
I will take off the clothes and play with that first.
Yeah.
And then more want to see you. See after you done that, then more want to see you.
Yeah, Bridget, listen to man. 100 milli.
Hey.
Go them silly.
Yo.
Say them like it.
150,000 man I make a month.
Bridget, his song
a month.
His song say.
No, well I know US and I know Jamaican. A pound.
His song say 100 milli. What? In a US? Or pound? You remember TJ?
Yeah.
Eh? And that is what I'm saying. We live like baller. Leon Bailey. Well, them a live like baller.
We go try find him in the page. See if you did it.
Oh. Now I got the on him page, bro.
No, you not got the day, but me I say we go see if he snap the every true. The Snapchat. I didn't delete it, you understand me? What's your name again?
LB9. Rim dog.
Rim dog in Bumbo kind of rim cat that. Boring dog. Someone a boring dog.
Yo.
A rim cat that bro.
Yo, Mr. Dog, I bet you
and a combo in can't pay for Jamaica because Jamaica not pay. Jamaica not pay if you get bodyguard. And that move your dirty self. And go inside. Buckler, batty
get
boy.
Plug. Eh, if you run your match with plug, we don't pay you for that.
Batty boy. You know smart man in our midfield.
Me blood. Nah, me say yo, fuck it. But
Hey,
sorry for
listen
you.
man. Listen Dalton Harris.
He batty boy.
The next boy with the
Where did them on the vice?
where
The
they
batty
make a
boy.
run when me I say. Watch out man. Notice all like batty
Kind of
boy
off
them.
the have to run away.
Exactly like me I talk about. And notice the next batty boy them with it up so on that bridge. All them did want a visa for go in and me understand. I left them left you know. I feel like the Jamaican government need fi we not go give them the money you know. Yo we go do. Create one GoFundMe for them. Means say all overseas or whosoever Jamaican now there. We just want them to left. That's when I fi entangle with them.
Yeah.
Just donate some money. Each time you reach to money, 1 lift up, 6 lift up. But they lift up man.
That not happen.
Yeah, because the American government now just want to accept them so.
No.
But them are batty fellas.
The batty
So
fellas
the batty fellas don't accept them.
The batty fellas them go on lift up. The batty fellas them go on stay. Jamaicans.
The visa?
Yeah, the Jamaicans them
man,
want
they
live.
left, man.
Jamaicans them want opportunities. I never go on like one of the sanction thing there with foot hype. So them a batty fellas and go.
Oh, I left. Oh, them go grab on funny foot hype.
Yeah.
Hey, foot hype, you hear me? You could have deal that the people must say, you never come with no proof, come proof, say I lie.
Huh?
Listen, me man.
Man.
Man, them say a batty sanction you get over there right now. You get what they call it? Batty asylum.
Diddy up, man. Then Diddy up, man.
Batty asylum you get put.
Then Diddy up. Yeah, man.
Say dog say, He can't go back to Jamaica because they want to kill him. We homophobic out here.
Then daddy
No,
one.
no,
Then
no.
daddy one. Come on, man. Come on, man. Hey, I don't know nothing about football. See? But speaking of Bailey, we have to talk about this.
But Trump gone celebrate with him and them like.
Trump go celebrate with the man them. Chelsea dog. Zane. And watch it joke no my bro.
You know see nothing in night though.
What?
You know see nothing in night with Trump though.
No, me not necessarily see nothing night. After match I just saw look out push notification. Me say. Me only see what them say right now. The biggest thing what them say is Trump carry one trophy. And left him and them with the replica. Yo, so me ask the sportsman when me know he won't be a sports dog when me know about it. And he had this to say. I'm going to insert A1 voice note. That's all.
Oh. Well, you know, as I say, you know, so me see it. You know, me thought tell myself, say, you know, say Trump a real businessman. You know, so Trump start already.
What?
Me listen to one day and them talk about one club. Where one brother, he said brother there chat about it. He dancing that. So he used to go at one club with them time there, did 50,000. Him and his wife, them used to go at that club with 50,000 just per member fee. But now, he got different kind of call them what they and all they say is just, they look on the website and all they say is just contact the club. A Trump one, you know. One golf club. Saying, Trump a businessman. Eventually, he have left the presidency this year. We know that. Saying, after he left the presidency, one of them football club there are having them footballer there. You get to me I say, in a club, yeah, that's what I say. A businessman, from me see it, and some people I look funny say, oh, this man did this, so why this man did this? So he's a businessman. And what they say business people do in a, what they call that?
The network.
Network. And who right now no want to chat to the president of America?
Yeah, we messing up.
Yeah.
The love way your party, you know, because my part is not so difficult. Now, man, when I run the difficult part, you know, the extra conspiracy part, there's no way I'm sitting there. I just think this man is indeed the content president in a region.
Oh, yeah,
and this man, they just love Sealer. This man, they just love Chelsea. And this side say, oh, what you know? Me I show all of a drunk over United Nation, United Kingdom. So you see, say, me support them your team here and me can forward now the players enjoy all what on the match. What's me 8 years so left all presidency and everything that me have them a moment in my picture book. Me turn upside Muhammad Ali. Me turn upside Nelson Mandela. Oh, me not have them all when me old, me still have me still there side stars.
Listen, man. Trump, I miss every Trump, you know, but listen, you don't skip around this blood clot, you know.
What?
You turn upside Epstein to man.
What blouse and skirts? Yo.
Skip past that. Cause I mean, we're allowed to see it.
Yo.
You know, the Trump and Epstein apart, that's why Epstein file now release, I believe.
Alright.
Trump and Epstein are
friends. See the clip here? Hold the one there. I think me send you something
Trump,
about that.
but we're not playing it. We play this already.
Are you still talking about Jeffrey Epstein?
The fuck are you?
Investigators say they found no.
Yeah, we know.
That wasn't planned.
So, they were they glad you have that one there too because I don't see what they are. When I say are you still talking about Jeffrey Epstein?
Yeah,
I know, shall me say after now.
What?
One where they use AI make where Hillary Clinton, they always say, oh, the law 1 minute miss no time video, you know. But they capture when sell there, you know. It's part team sell there when lock down, you know, saying. And 1 minute they missing. It's like they use AI. The show say Hillary Clinton people do are going there. And then they make one next one now. Also I think Epstein. There's a Jim Screechy out like I take time I run dog so to
run out, escape. Yeah man, hey man.
Bro, it's like if people must say man not dead. Conspiracy theorists.
What on it?
Wicked, you know?
Be. What you say?
No incriminating client list of Epstein's, no credible evidence that Epstein blackmailed prominent individuals, and no evidence that could predicate an investigation against uncharged third parties.
Get up on the road. Get that way.
big wig. Is it what the interview there? Did I buy YouTube, you know? Deposition. Yeah, you see the deposition. You laugh till you weak.
Dog, the man basically only what the rich people them. So, oh, me I go get, oh, you go lock me in, and no way, oh, you go, oh, me I go dead, oh, I'm really dead. If people dead, the brain, there's somewhere else I go and chill, I wait for the new body. Like Michael Jackson, man.
Watch him man them say, the man take picture with the evidence. Me blood clot, I idiot. The man take picture with the evidence. That thing.
I zoom up for the people in the place like that. Sure, to say this is John Cryer. Yeah, look for them good. This is John Cryer. Everybody, man. Everybody.
To him being an agent, I have no knowledge about that. We can get back to you on that.
And this is the man that this thing have a list on the desk to review.
Are you still talking about?
So, hey, well, you have to say, you were so sad now, and say black people are weak out in the matrix. Because what is now? You see how long if you don't take to show you all evidence against a man, it's a white man. You know, say if you show evidence against Diddy, I just like this. A couple baby highly people them fine, baby highly man them fine. Hey, then see man a beat Cassius when I deny that. Charge him for that. Domestic abuse. Yes, we will see. We will see that. But baby I lead up to trafficking. I want whole heap. Jesus God. I hear me now. A jail man they do all much time. I hear me now. You see them people. Black people are born out Diddy. And white people must say,
protect Epstein.
Exactly.
Nah, man, telling you, segregation is the best thing because black people just need to strengthen their own dog. Believe me. You hear me, I say, man, if we can burn out to people, make weed, do it like in a household. No outer road for them junk credit seat and stuff. Oh, then weak, then separated, then right now, you see me then united, make we attack.
Yeah, cause not saying it's not like we have pick up for Diddy. But me I say that's how we can admit to what him do, but me I say evidence we just see against the man look a while. And look where the president is right now. Brother, yesterday talk about Epstein, you don't say nothing not gwaan. The man end up killing all himself. Then where man kill himself for if no evidence then did it? Tell me no people. You know say no evidence no did it.
So
why you that kill yourself? And the next thing is the woman where they show last with the girl them. And that woman they procure you female them, you know. But that woman they jail, you know. Why that woman they jail if the no client list no did there? Why she still there jail?
Scapegoat.
I think that me hear like that I last thing me hear say she must plan to testify.